Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. In this video, I'm taking a look at Comment Edit Pro. Comment Edit Pro has a number of features for enhancing the core commenting system in WordPress. It doesn't replace the comment system, it adds to it. In a previous video, I looked at the free version, Comment Edit Lite, and it only has two features: the ability to allow the user to edit their comment after they've submitted them, and an integration with MailChimp for having a sign-up form in the comment area. Comment Edit Pro goes beyond that and seems to come close to providing a comment solution. If you like the video, please subscribe. It helps to spread the word about the channel. I'm here on the Comment Edit Pro website. And if we look at the pricing, it's $14 per year for 3 sites, $59 per year for 50 sites, or $120 per year for 250 sites. This is a documentation area for Comment Edit Pro. You can see it's pretty extensive. There's documentation on each feature of the plugin, as well as documentation for developers for actions and filters. I have a test site here with the free Cadence theme. Previously, in the last video, we saw how Comment Edit Lite worked. We saw that it adds a menu item here. Now we're going to activate Comment Edit Pro. Notice that I'm leaving the free version activated. If you uninstall the free version, then you lose that functionality. So I'm going to leave it activated. I'm prompted to enter the license key, so I'm going to pause the video for a minute and enter the license key. Okay, I've got the license entered now. I'm going to go to the home section here, and notice that the Lite menu item now has been replaced with the Pro menu. Now this home page here, you see it has these cards. There's a card for each feature, and you can click here to go to that feature, but these features are also available down using the side here, so that's the way I'm going to step through them. If we go and look at the first panel here, it's for avatars, and you can enable custom avatars. And you can allow logged in users to use them, anonymous users to use them. You can remember avatars for anonymous users. You can allow gravatar fallback if they don't choose an avatar. And then there's a label for changing the wording. And you'll notice that in a lot of the areas, there are labels and places where you can change the wording. And you can use that for translation if, say, your site's in Spanish or another language. Then there's the option for custom avatar sizes. Okay, so you can change that if you want. I'm going to disable this custom size and save the avatar options. And then there's gravatar privacy protection. And Comment Edit Pro has the option where you can give them the ability to opt out of using gravatar. And I'll save that. Now I'm just going to grab the URL for the site, and I'll open a private window, and we'll go to the site as someone who's not logged in. We'll look at a post and go down to the comment section, and then see it says choose an avatar. Okay, and there are a fair number here of ones to choose from. So your users can look down and find one that they like. Say I take that one. Okay, so I post the comment. It says our comment is awaiting moderation. Let's go back to the admin here to comments And I'm just going to approve these. Okay, and then we'll go back to the private window, refresh. Okay, so it's been approved. So this is the feature from the free version. You have the option to click to edit. You can change your comment and save. You can cancel the edit or you can delete it. And we've got it set for 5 minutes. I'm just going to cancel it, the edit there. And of course we have the custom avatar showing here also. Now let's go back and let's look at the next options. There's character control. Alright, and what this does is it shows you a progress bar. You can set a minimum and maximum length for comments so people don't just leave one letter or something like that. So we can say 15 and the maximum 2000 and save. Okay, now if we go back on our private window and refresh, see this little bar here? So I'm going to say, let's see, here is another comment, and you saw how it changed from red to green, and then, it'll just gradually fill up until it gets to the maximum length. All right, and comment editing, that's the feature that we were just looking at. This is already enabled here because we have the free plugin installed. And here's some extra goodies though with comment editing that come in the Pro version. You can allow front-end editing for admins and enable front-end moderation menu. Then there's a theme for the menu. Let's preview the dark theme. Okay. And the light theme, and the default theme. Alright, I think I'll go with the light theme. Then there's the countdown timer length, right, which is by default 5 minutes. You can allow unlimited time for login users, allow the timer to be canceled by users, so you just kind of cancel the ability to edit the comment. You can enable logging the edits, the comment edits. You can turn off comment deletion. You can allow them to only delete their comment. Have a confirmation for that. An email notification to go to the admin if someone edits their comments so that the admin can check it, I guess. And then the appearance of the timer and the buttons on the pop-up for editing, and then translation for these features. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Let's go to the front end as admin. We see the comments that John Doe has left. Now here's the regular reply option, but here is a moderation menu option on the front. So you can edit the comment. Maybe the user said something inappropriate, you liked overall what they were saying. You're going to put asterisks in for their curse words or something, I don't know. You can mark the comment as pending, as spam, or delete the comment right there. This is the front end editing that comes for the admin. This is a big convenience, so you don't have to go into the admin and look at the comments kind of one by one. Let's go back here, and here we have 3 minutes left to edit, so let's edit that comment. Okay, we'll save that. Now let's go back to the comment area and let's edit the comment. And what I wanted to show you is that here's the comment editing history. That's the logging of the comment. Let's go now and look at the next feature. There's some integrations here There's an integration with ConvertKit and MailChimp for kind of your email platform. And there's an integration for Slack, so you can send a message into a Slack channel saying that a user's left a comment. This is the license. Now here's the next feature, which is using @mentions. So we can turn that on and enable sending emails to mentioned users, have the from email and the from name, sign up checkbox for mentions, and then the labels that you can customize if you want to. So let's save that and have the admin mention this user. See, it gave us a hint of the user's name there. Okay, I can choose an avatar here if I want to. Okay, and then an email goes out to that user. Okay, let's go back now and look at the next feature is spam protection. Comment Edit Pro has integration for Akismet, for Google reCAPTCHA, and for Cloudflare Turnstile, which is a new, less intrusive option over reCAPTCHA. So Comment Edit Pro comes with support for 3 anti-spam features. Finally, when we looked at integrations, there was ConvertKit and MailChimp and Slack. So if you're not using one of those 3, then you have the option for a webhook, which lets you basically add an automation to connect to a vast array, almost any service that supports webhooks, then you would be able to integrate with. There are triggers for when an approved comment is submitted, when there's one waiting moderation, and when there's something marked as spam. So that's my look at Comment Edit Pro. Now for some discussion and conclusions. Comment Edit Pro has a lot more features than the Lite version. It has the comment editing for visitors. It has the front-end comment editing and moderation for administrators, which is one of my favorite features. It has logging of edits, character limits, custom avatars, which is another feature I like, Gravatar privacy options, newsletter sign-up, Slack notifications, and custom hooks, anti-spam options, which is a big one, and mentions, which should probably be built into WordPress core. So it's got some nice features, but as I was using Comment Edit Pro, some things came to mind that I think it would be nice to have. And what I saw that was missing is there's no ability to add your own avatar images. There's no post rating option, like 5-star rating option on the post itself. There's no up and down comment voting option where you can kind of give a thumbs up or a thumbs down to someone's comment. And there's no commenting using a social account. And those last 2 things, up and down comment voting and being able to comment using a social account, I think they would make a big difference. Comment Edit Pro is from a talented developer who listens to users. So that's my look at Comment Edit Pro. There is a text version available on the WebTNG website with other walkthroughs, reviews, and resources. Hope you found the video useful. Thank you for watching.